Okay, so here we are in Soundtrap, and we're going to play around with some sound effects. So I'm going to click over here at the new music project. I'm going to make an entirely new recording for this. All right, now over here under sounds, we have under our sound library where you got your beats and such before. There is something called sounds, and if I click on this air horn here, I get this over here. This loop can't be loaded right now. Try another loop, which tells me it's broken. If it works for you, that's awesome, but it probably won't. So what we're going to have to do is go get our sound effects from somewhere else. Now on the TechEd website, under Activity 8, there's a link to the BBC sound effects catalog. And when you click on that link, it will take you here. In fact, here we are on Activity 8 using sound effects, and there is the link. If you click on it, you'll end up here in BBC Sound Effects. That's the British Broadcasting Company, which is a pretty famous place where they make radio shows and such in the United Kingdom. And so if you click over here where it says Browse All BBC Sound Effects, I could say, I don't know, doorbell. And it would give me some options here. And when I click on this to play the sound, I don't know if you could hear that in the recording, but that was a pretty good doorbell thing. And if I want to use that doorbell, I come over here to download on the download button, and I click download as an MP3. And if I do that, hello, it's going to end up in my download folder. So when I come back to my new Soundtrap project over here, in fact, I'll call this Mr. Pat Sound Effects, or maybe Activity 8, something like that. It should probably have your name in it. So I'm going to add a track. I'm going to add a voice or mic. I can allow my mic. I guess you would already have your mic connected. But if I go over here to File, and I say import, which means to go get something, import to an audio track right here. I click on that, and I happen to be in my download folder over here, and there's my BBC MP3 download. So now I have a doorbell here. When I hit play, it should give me that doorbell. So what you might want to do is then add another track of voice and mic. Put your cursor about there and say something like, here it's counting me down, and I might say, hey, I wonder who's at the door. And now I have my sound effect and some dialogue by myself. And you're just going to kind of assemble 2 or 3 sound effects, maybe have some words, tell a little story, somebody showing up at your house, something happening in the kitchen or at school, and use those sound effects to give more style, more pizzazz to your story. Okay? So that's what we're working on right now. And just go ahead, check out some of those sound effects that the BBC offer you. Again, they've got hundreds. We could do dog, and we've got dogs barking, and we could do, I don't know, airplanes. We could have, no, airplane, something like that. No airplane, huh? That's strange. Okay, how about boat motor? Oh, there's a boat motor, a bunch of them. So you might have to listen to a few of these to choose which one you actually want to go ahead and download. All right, play around with it, get at least 3 or 4 sound effects, have some words, tell a little bit of a story, and then see if maybe it's something you could incorporate in your newscast. Good luck.